Today our topic is standard form. So our learning and target is how can I write the equation of a line using standard form. This is our last type of equation. So this is our third and final type of equation. Review / vocabulary. Coefficient, number in front of a variable. So like 2x, 2 is your coefficient. Slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope, b is your y-intercept. Point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And the new one, standard form, ax plus by equals c. A is a number, b is a number, c is a number. Equivalent equations in standard form. Write two equations in standard form that are equivalent to 3x minus 9y equals 12. The two ways to write equivalent equations is to multiply or divide the equation by a number. So if we have 3x minus 9y equals 12, if we look, all three numbers are divisible by 3. So if we divide every piece by 3, we would get 1x minus 9 divided by 3 is 3y equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So this equation and our original equation will graph the same graph. They are equivalent equations. They are the same line. So we wanted to write two equivalent equations, so we already divided. So now let's multiply. Let's take our equation 3x minus 9y equals 12. And let's multiply it by a number. Pick any number you want. I'm going to choose 4 because 4 is my favorite number. Distribute the 4 to each number. So we're going to do 4 times 3, 4 times 9, and 4 times 12. 4 times 3 is 12x minus 4 times 9 is 36y equals 4 times 12, which is 48. So all three of these equations are original. The one I circled in green and the one I circled in blue are equivalent, which means the same. Standard form from 2 points. Super important to make sure you get this. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through. That should not say slope-intercept form. That should say standard form. Apologies. For the line that passes through these 2 points. So, again, this should become routine. Label your points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Calculate the slope. We should be getting really good at this. -3 minus -1 over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is 3. If you want, you can type this right into your calculator and it'll tell you. But if you don't want to use your calculator, double negative makes positive. -3 plus 1 is -2. 2 minus 3 is -1. -2 divided by -1 is +2. So our slope is 2. Choose your point. We need to write an equation in point slope form to start off. So choose that first point, x1, y1. 3, -1, x1, y1. Write your equation in point slope form to start with. So we do y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we have y minus y1, which comes from your point, so it's right there, -1, equals m. Our m, right up here, we solved for it, is 2 times x minus x1, which also comes from your coordinate point, which is right there, 3. Change that double negative to a positive. Now our next step is to convert to slope-intercept form. This is what we did in the last set of notes, so it should be fairly familiar, what we practiced in class. 1 is to distribute, and then 2, make it y equals. So first off, we'll distribute the 2 to the x and the -3. 2 times x is 2x, minus 2 times 3 is 6. Y plus 1 stays the same. We need to make it y equals, which means we need to move the +1. Move a +1 doing a -1. We get y equals 2x. -6 minus 1 is -7. Last step is to convert to standard form. Now converting to standard form, that's our new form. Standard form looks like ax plus by equals c. So we're adding a third step to our list, and that third step is going to be move x. We need to move x to the other side, so we're moving the 2x over here. To do that, we do the opposite. If it's a positive, we'll subtract. If it's a negative, we'll add. It's positive 2x, so we're going to do minus 2x. Minus 2x. 2x and y cannot go together because they're not like terms. So we have to leave the negative 2x and the y separate, and we're going to put a plus sign in the middle there because it's a positive y. Equals 2x minus 2x is 0, leaving us with negative 7. And that is our final answer right there. Next piece, convert from point slope form to standard form. Convert from point slope to standard form. So we're going to be following those 3 steps. Distribute. 2, y equals. 3, move the x. Draw your railroad tracks. First, distribute. Take the negative 2 to the x and the 3. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Watch your positives and negatives. Next step, y equals. Get it to be y equals. So, if we want it to be y equals, we need to get rid of the minus 3 with a plus 3. Now we have y equals negative 2x just comes down. And then minus 6, or negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Make sure you're getting those integer operations correct. Last piece, move the x to the other side. Take that negative 2x, bring it to the other side. Undo a negative 2x with a positive 2x. And we get 2x. It's a positive y, so we'll put plus y equals negative 3. And that right there is our final answer. We move from point slope form to standard form. Last piece, write an equation in standard form. T-shirts at a mall kiosk cost $4.50 each and shorts cost $6 each. You can spend a total of $20. Write an equation in standard form that models the possible combinations of t-shirts and shorts you can buy. So, standard form, ax plus by equals c. Here's multiplication, and here's multiplication. Your keywords for multiplication are each. Each. That means we're multiplying $6 times the number of shorts we get, which we don't know, and $4.50 times the number of t-shirts we get, which we also don't know. So we can replace our a with $4.50 and multiply by our x. So x would be equal to t-shirts, because it's $4.50 per t-shirt, $4.50 for each t-shirt. So we're taking $4.50 multiplied by the number of t-shirts we get. Add to that the number of shorts we get. Well, the number of shorts we get, we don't know, but we do know that they are $6 each. It's $4.50 for the t-shirt, $6 for the shorts. So we put 6 for the b and multiply by that by our y, which we don't know. We know it's going to be shorts. We don't know how many shorts we're buying though. We do know we can spend a total of $20. So no matter how many t-shirts we buy and how many shorts we buy, it has to be equal to $20. We can't spend any more than $20, so that equation has to be equal to 20. So really you're looking at C is your total, and then A and B you're looking for those words that mean multiply, each, for, per, those multiplication words. Alright, that's all the notes I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.